Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Islam Talk or Farina Siddiqui. Do you actually believe that Islam needs regular external enemies to destroy us? No, we don't. We have our own internal frictions, divisiveness, sectarianism that is enough to destroy us as a community. And this is exactly what's happening. If you are one of those people who actually believe in slandering, believe in spreading the lies, believe in spreading the rumors and all that, please stop. Because we are our worst enemies. We don't need external enemies. We don't need people who are actually working up towards Islamophobia and actually planning those attacks against us. We ourselves as a community is actually working really, really badly, poorly to destroy each other. It's very important to understand that Prophet Muhammad clearly told us that the example of my ummah is like the beats of a tasbih. Are we acting like that? He also given us an example of one body. If one part of the body hurts, the whole body is sore. Are we acting like a body? So we are actually not living the words or the legacy or the teachings of our beloved last prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Think about that. And we all have a responsibility, not just you, not just me, not just anybody else. We have a responsibility towards each other collectively, regardless of our position or the power or the influence or the position in this community or outside of this community or our wealth or our titles that we all acquire or work with. We have a responsibility as the slave of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the follower of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam towards each other. We have to be kind. We have to build the brotherhood. We have to build the sisterhood. And we have to stop acting, reacting, accumulating, spreading the rumors and slanders against each other. If you hear something bad about your brother or sister, the first thing you should do is to reach out and say, hey, I heard this. Is it true? Are you doing this? Or are you not doing this? Or why are you doing this? This is the way to go, my brothers and sisters. It's very important that we actually denounce, reduce and condemn this internal divide, internal division, internal sectarianism, internal hate against each other. Why? Because we are one ummah following the one last prophet of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that was sent as the rahmatul lil alameen, mercy to mankind. And he actually taught us the mercy, the rahmah and the support for each other as an ummah. Think about that. If you like this video and if you think somebody can be helped with this, please share this video, like and subscribe me on Instagram and on TikTok. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.